Your grade is the average of all your quizzes, plus the midterm and final, which counts for 1/3. Got it? Also, there will be no eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. No eating in this class. You get used to doing your own business on your own time. That's one demand I make. Just like you wouldn't want me to come to your house some evening and discuss U.S. history on your time. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This guy's been stoned since the 3rd grade.
Yes?
Yeah, I'm registered in this class. This is U.S. history. See the globe right there.
Oh, please. I get so lonely when I hear that 3rd attendance bell ring and all my kids are not here.
Sorry I'm late. It's just this new schedule is totally confusing. Hey, I know that dude.
Mr. Spicoli.
That's the name they gave me. Hey, you're ripping my card.
Yeah.
Hey, bud, what's your problem?
No problem at all. I think you know where the front office is.
You.
I have taken the time to print out a complete schedule of class quizzes and the chapters they cover.